Got a meg already. Sweet. That is a huge great white. That is nasty, man. That thing is huge. I gotta go measure it later. Crazy. Sweet. That is awesome. Dang, that's a meg. That is sick. Sweet. That is too cool, man. Megalodon tooth. That is awesome. Sweet. Whew. Got a whale earbone. I find these semi-frequently. It's a really nice one, actually. Not too bad. Sweet. Got a meg. It's a little one. It's busted up, but still a meg. Not too bad. Sweet. Dang, dude. That's a meg. Sweet. That is too cool, man. That's a meg. A little broken on the root, but a meg's a meg. That's awesome. That's another Megalodon tooth. It's a bit worn, but definitely still a meg. Pretty sweet. Hey guys, here are the finds from the trip. Let's start off with the shark teeth first. Got a really nice looking Megalodon tooth here. Check out those colors on that thing. Real nice one. Great looking tooth. Sweet. And I'll show you some of the other Megalodon teeth here. A couple other small ones. Check out those colors, guys. Pretty crazy. Orangish, reddish colors. A little bit of brown. And I found an amazing colored great white. Check that out, guys. Those colors are ridiculous. It's one of my best great whites. Crazy, crazy colors. Super large too. I think it's like 2.8, I think. It's almost, it's getting to that 3-inch great white range. But really nice great white. Crazy colors. Really nice one. And I found a ray plate. Never found one of these this complete before. So this is a half, but you can see all the ray teeth in there. They come in plates and they form these kind of edges like that, so it'll go over into like a crescent shape. Really cool. Never found one of those before, but this is a half. And there's some of the other Megalodon teeth. You can see that these ones are cleaned up. And these ones are still a little bit dirty. They're a little bit more worn, so I didn't clean them up yet. And then we can move on to the whale ear bones. So these are really cool. Really nice pieces. It's a really nice one. And I've got some other ones here. Pretty cool. And I'll move over to this piece. This is it's it's a matrix piece, so it's got whalebone embedded in the matrix. It's a really cool display piece. It's like all rocky, and then there's whalebone there and there. Super cool. It's a great piece. But that is pretty much it, guys. Take a look at those teeth one more time. Had a great trip out here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.